This video compares CrewAI and Pydantic AI, two powerful AI agent frameworks. Choosing the right framework can transform how you build intelligent applications without complex integration challenges. Both offer unique approaches to AI agent development. CrewAI and Pydantic AI are frameworks designed to help developers build AI agents efficiently. The core difference lies in CrewAI's focus on collaborative agent workflows versus Pydantic AI's emphasis on data validation and model-driven agent architecture. CrewAI is an AI agent framework built to enable teams of AI agents working together seamlessly. It focuses on orchestrating multiple AI components in a collaborative environment, allowing complex workflows to be broken down into specialized tasks handled by different agents. This modular design simplifies scaling and managing AI processes. CrewAI works by defining agents with specific roles and communication protocols, enabling them to coordinate effectively. Its strengths include flexibility in workflow design, ease of integration with various AI models, and support for multi-agent collaboration. However, CrewAI requires some initial setup to define agent roles and communication channels, which may add complexity for smaller projects or solo developers. It is ideal for users who need to build sophisticated AI systems with multiple interacting agents, such as customer support automation, research assistants, or complex task management tools. CrewAI excels when collaboration and modularity are priorities. Pydantic AI is a framework centered on leveraging Pydantic's powerful data validation and modeling capabilities to build AI agents. It integrates AI logic with strongly typed data models, ensuring that inputs and outputs conform to strict schemas. This approach enhances reliability and maintainability by catching errors early and enforcing clear data contracts. Pydantic AI works by defining AI agent behaviors through Python classes that extend Pydantic models, combining AI decision-making with validated data structures. Its strengths lie in robust data integrity, seamless integration with Python ecosystems, and straightforward debugging. However, it is less focused on multi-agent collaboration and more suited for individual AI agents or pipelines that require strict data validation. This framework is ideal for developers who prioritize data correctness and want to build AI agents tightly coupled with validated data models such as data-driven automation, API-based AI services, or rule-based systems. Pydantic AI is best when data validation and type safety are critical. CrewAI and Pydantic AI offer different strengths depending on your project needs. CrewAI shines in multi-agent scenarios where collaboration and task division are essential, making it suitable for complex workflows involving many AI components. In contrast, Pydantic AI excels in projects requiring rigorous data validation and type safety, ensuring AI agents handle data reliably within well-defined schemas. For example, a customer service platform with multiple AI roles benefits from CrewAI's modularity, while a data-heavy automation system that demands error-proof inputs favors Pydantic AI's validation features. The trade-off is between flexibility in agent orchestration with CrewAI and strict data integrity with Pydantic AI. Your choice depends on whether your priority is managing AI teamwork or enforcing data correctness within AI logic. Choose CrewAI if your project requires coordinating multiple AI agents working together smoothly in complex workflows with flexible customization and scalable collaboration. Opt for Pydantic AI when data validation and type-safe AI development are paramount. Its strong integration with Python models makes it ideal for reliable, maintainable AI agents focused on data-driven tasks. Both frameworks excel in their domains, so pick based on your project's core needs.